Alright, now I'd suggest you pause the video here and then go over the questions, so then I'm going to go over the answers to them. Alright, so for the first question, why do we want to reduce the operating voltage? And so the reason for this is just that our power is given by CV squared, and so if we want to reduce our power, we want to reduce our voltage. So the next question is, why do we still need a 10 to the 6 to 1 on-off ratio? And that comes down to the leakage current. So even if we reduce our voltage, we still have our IR leakage current even in the off state. And so if we don't have a high resistance in the off state, we'll still have a high leakage. And the last question is, why do we need an on-state conductance of 1 millisiemens per micron? And the reason for that is that we still want to maintain the speed. Even if our transistors are fast, say around a terahertz, by the time you account for the logic depth and the activity factor and everything, we're going to end up with a much lower speed. And so we need to keep this just to keep our chips operating around 10 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz.